Hello guys, welcome to my third video. I'm really excited. Today I want to share the main thing why you should subscribe to my channel. How do I make passive income? Because my main goal for this year is to transform from a full-time day job, trading hours for money, to financial freedom by generating passive income streams. And last summer I started already, like I shared you in the last video. And in this video I'm going to reveal how I did it and how much it cost. So keep on watching. Right, normally you would have an intro tune now and you see passive income or about passive income, but yeah, I don't have time for that yet, so that's for later things. But it's quite funny which stream which stream I'm making money with, because we are living in the area. We are living in the internet area, and I make money with old-fashioned books. Then you may think, well, the electronic books, the Kindle ones from Amazon, and yes, I make money from them, but at the end I make more money with the paperback books. So that's quite surprising. But let's rewind how I started with it. I read a book from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's really famous in the US, Europe maybe also, but for me it was totally new. And the book's already from 97. But a colleague of mine recommended it, and I thought, well, let's give it a try, because yeah, I wanted to change my life. I wanted to leave the rat race, so I was open for new information, of course. And one of the things in that 20-year-old book was, well, rich people invest in things that generate money, like books, software, real estate, movies or music and other stuff like that. So I read that book, and 2 days later I saw I was following all the things, how to make money online, stuff like that. And then I got caught by a training about how to publish your book on Amazon without even having to write it yourself. Because yeah, I thought, well, I can never write a book. I don't have time. I don't have experience. So why should I do it? But he told in his intro video, you can outsource the whole process. And at the end, the training was only $60. So I thought, well, Juan, let's give it a try. And I did it. I bought the training, I paid $60, and right after he came with an immediate upsell that you could upgrade the training. I thought, oh, I don't like that, so I ignored it. And I followed the training. I followed all the steps, and in I think 2.5 weeks, I had my first book published on Amazon, and I was working full time, of course. So I outsourced the writing, I outsourced the paper cover. The idea was mine. I did the specs. I want to have this covered. And I read it myself, of course, and then I published it. And that book, surprisingly, is making me money until this day. Well, not on a daily basis. In the beginning it was, but still on the weekly basis I'm making money about that book. And I think the best month was about 80 euros, and I think the first month was the worst, 45. So it's really it paid off. And if you compare it with other investments, in how many investments do you make your initial investment already make it back in 3-4 months? Well, I don't know, not a lot, so it's a good one. So if you want to make money online and you want to do something you can start besides your day job, something that's quite easy, it's not complicated. The training has all the steps in it, step by step, tell you what you have to do, how you can outsource it, which sites you have to go, everything, how to set up the account, everything. I can really recommend to try it. You can only try it. It's only $60. I think that's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if after 60 days you thought, well, I'm not made for this, not for me, you can ask your money back without questions. So That's a good one. And yeah, this channel will be mainly about how to make passive income, how to be financial free, and a journey from full-time day job to being financial free. And in this channel, I'm going to share the trainings I follow, the things that will go, yeah, that are good, things that are bad. And of course, I want to inspire you. I want to help you guys that you can, at the end, reach the same goal. So that's why in one of my following videos, I will show you the training, and I will, yeah, show you the contents and how I make money from it. And I already bought two kind of publishing trainings, but I will talk about that later. Well, thank you much for watching. I will keep this one short. I expect you to see you soon. Bye.